Okay, how you doing, guys? MotorCarNut here. Today we're going to be aligning the cam timing as if you, let's say if you want to do a timing belt, how to get the timing marks on a Kia. This is a Kia Rio 1.6 liter from 2006 to 2011. Also the Hyundai Accent and Elantra motors. If they have the 1.6, it's going to be similar. Okay, now there's timing marks to do the timing belt. And then this chain over here has timing marks for the cams, for the variable valve timing. Now, when you are lining this up, there's going to be different colored links. This is a different color link than these. And the same thing back here. Now, let me see if I can zoom it in. Back here, it's going to have on the gear. Okay, let me see. On the gear back here is going to be a little mark. That has to line up with the different color link that's right here. All right, to make sure. And that mark, this mark over here, lines up with this color link. This is the different color than the other ones. So if you count them, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8th link should have a different color link. And on the cam gear itself is going to have a mark. Once you got those two right, then the cam timing is fine. Then you go over as if you were doing a timing belt. And there's going to be a mark on the cam right here. The cam cap, there's a little mark there. And this little circle in the middle. You put it in the middle. And it has to line up. Okay, see that? It has to line up perfectly, straight. Okay? So now you know your time camming is lined up. Now, if you're doing a timing belt, I'll show you the gear on the bottom. Now, you're going to see there's a mark on the crank gear here. And there's a little bubble right there. You see the mark right there? I can put this thing on it and show you. Can't even get in there. All right. Okay. You see that little mark? I highlighted it white. There's going to be a little intrusion that pops out. That's going to line up with this right here. Okay. And then, you know, your crank and your cams, both cams, everything is in a line. All right. And as simple as that. All right, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions below, leave them. I answer all the questions pertaining to the videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.